Hi friends, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're going to make a raw beet salad. I've got some huge beets from my garden. I grew Boro beets, and these beets get really huge and they won't get woody inside. So here's one of them. I've got 4 here, and we've already used one of the beets already. Today I think I'll make the raw beet salad out of this one. So I'm just storing my beets in a grocery bag in the refrigerator until we use them. We're over here by my sink today. This is going to be a messy job with the red beets, but it's so good. It's a raw beet salad with a citrus vinaigrette or citrus dressing. Okay, I've got a piece of a tablecloth, a plastic tablecloth that I'm going to put right here on my counter. And I've got my compost bowl here. And I'm going to wear gloves so it doesn't dye my hands red. This raw beet salad is so good. I've got my peeler here, and this is my compost bowl. And now I'm just gonna peel the beet. I haven't washed it yet. I'm gonna wash it once I peel it. What is y'all's favorite way to eat beets? I really like this raw beet salad, and I like to eat them roasted. They're such a beautiful color. Okay, it looks peeled pretty good. So now I'm going to get my cutting board, and I'm just going to slice the ends off. And now we're going to rinse our beet off. It's such a pretty color. Okay, now we've got our bowl that we're going to shred our beets into. Here's our shredded beets. We're going to make our citrus dressing for our raw beet salad. I've got an organic orange and an organic lime. So we're going to zest that into our little measuring cup. I got some on the counter. Make sure I get that into my measuring cup. It smells so good. Now we're going to cut our lime and our orange in half. And I have a little juicer here. So we're gonna just juice these up. And I'm just gonna pour that into the measuring cup. I've got some white golden balsamic vinegar. I'm gonna get 1 tablespoon of that in here. And I've got some agave syrup. If you don't have agave syrup, you can just use maple syrup or honey. And now we're just going to give that a mix. And we're going to pour that over our shredded beets. And give it a good mix. I'm going to put 1 tablespoon of olive oil. You can mix that when you're making the dressing too if you want to. Okay, and now I'm going to pour it into a clean bowl. I have some lemon balm from my garden. And here's our delicious raw beet salad. Okay. And now it's time for the taste test. This is so good and refreshing. A delicious way to eat beets. It's so good. And you can make this ahead and let it really soak up the juices and everything. It's so good. And all those antioxidants with that beautiful red color in that vegetable. So good. Thank you all for hanging out with me today. I hope you have a blessed day and are having a wonderful fall, and I'll see you next time. Bye.